Yeah, I hope so. There you go, mate. So bring your lips more forward, like this, like this, yeah, but not too much like that, okay, not too much like that, right, bring it forward a little bit, and then cross between the Batman character called, what's his name, the Joker, alright, semi-Joker smile, semi-Joker, bring your lips more forward, alright, and then sort of vibrate your lips, but hum at the back of your throat. Just do that for me, please, let's go. Yeah, come on, here we go. Now say didgeridoo. Yeah, didgeridoo. You like the Dalek characters from Doctor Who? Didgeridoo. Yeah, didgeridoo. He's Doctor. Yeah. Didgeridoo. Alright, simple. Alright, say it like this. Say tuwaki. Say tuwaki. Yeah, say it again. Tuwaki. Okay, tuwaki. Okay, tuwaki, chip. Let's do it again. Tuwaki, chip. Tuwaki, the didgeridoo. Bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? Breathe on the do of didgeridoo. Okay, and on the do parts, push your cheeks out like that. Right? You're gonna repeat that 4 times. 4th time, get rid of didgeridoo and go woof woof. Now go away and learn the key of F and come back and show me the blue. That is a rhythm. Like you're sitting at a guitar lesson for the very first time. Yeah, stiff, you know, when we're doing it, so chill a bit. But we don't want to be like that balloon effect. There's the balloon, there's the mouthpiece of the balloon, I do that for the balloon, there's my diaphragm, there's my mouth. Okay? It's like me squeezing up and down like that. I've got the balloon like this at a party, and what do you hear? So there. Right. We don't want to be doing the balloon effect, looking like a character called Norm out here full of beer, but we're full of air. We are really boring. Alright? And then we're pushing up and down our mouth area here, fighting the instrument, because what you're going to get is that effect. We want to chill it, just a little bit, and just let the sound pass through, because you're controlling the airflow. Okay, just like. Okay, just chill it, alright guys, let's go. My hand's doing that, keep doing what you're doing, I can talk to you. Hand like this when I'm breathing, sending air out of the mouth. There, I'm breathing through my nose. Together. I've been doing butterfly. Go for digits, please. Alright, let's go, in the dig. Keep doing it, no. Let's just do long drones. I want to give you some exercise to take with you so you can learn how to do circle breathing quickly. Okay? Now, I'll give you one point. There's a on YouTube, you have to jump on YouTube, you see lessons and someone fill out the glass with water and straw. Do this guy, blow on the straw, get bubbles going, breathe through your nose. Well, man, behind you there's didgeridoos. 250 years ago, did we have glass and straws in this country? No. What do we have? Didgeridoos and rivers. Take the didgeridoo to the river. Alright, put it above the water. Do that. Slam it into the water. What are you going to get? Flintstone sparboat. Going on down the bottom there. That pressure comes up the dig. okay, because the air's pushing the water back down, trying to get the spark up there. But this force pushes back onto your mouth. It's going to hurt your mouth. Nothing comes for free. It's going to work your diaphragm. It's going to build the muscle in your mouth super quick. It's going to give you enough time to be able to understand how to breathe through your nose. Best exercise you can do to learn circle breathing in no time. You should be able to. It really sinks in. Why? It's pushing air up to here to fill the air that's coming here. When you're just going didgeridoo, your cheek is going to be in. There's going to be less air going up to replace the air that's coming out of you. But when you do the do, with your cheek out like that, okay, this is where the fun comes. It'll go poof out like this, but then when you send the air down, all that air down the didge, what's going to happen? Back pressure will work with you. It'll go snap, and you get this thump, and then it pushes back on your cheeks, so your cheeks don't suddenly collapse inwards. As you get better and better and better, and you build up the muscles in your mouth, you're able to play the didge with your cheeks in. If I was playing my cheeks in, it gives you a higher pitched sound of your didge range. That pitch. So that pitch there is the didgeridoo. The next one is the didgeridoo. Didgeridoo. Do that movement. Didgeridoo. Now do it like you're playing didge. Didgeridoo. Now go. Didgeridoo. Now, this hand is syncing with this hand on the piano. I've got to sync all that movement. Didgeridoo. 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 All right, so I'll go didgeridoo, there, the do, put them together. You hear the didgeridoo, and the snap, bang, poof, pushes back onto my cheeks. I'm able to snap the breath, don't hold on to it, don't go like that. Because your brain's going to pop out of your head and your lungs are going to fly out the didge. I don't want that to happen. I'm not a doctor, all right? I don't want to see that happen, all right? I want to point this out. Here's some words for you. If you want to take up didge, just remember these words that I pass over to you, okay? Okay? I'm a drummer for the very first time, okay? I'm going to go like that. It sounds like a dub in the instrument. Let's watch. Do you hear that? Dub. Dub. It's like that. Repeat button. Watch what happens when I repeat the button on that breath so quick. Watch, right? It gives it a effect in the didge. Same beat as me hitting the drum like this. Hitting the boom, 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 boom. Right, listen. Watch this now. I'm going to do this. I told you we like to bet my chances. All right, let's go.